guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the Tommy Hilfiger Technical Material Sneakers. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see them likes. Show some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown out our way. And I just want to take this time to thank all the subscribers, new and old. Thank you. Without you guys, we aren't able to get this done. So let's have a look. So today we've got a look at the Tommy Hilfiger Technical Material in navy. And we got this in the UK size 8, it's a European 42, and it's US size 9. And we'll have a little look, because this is Tommy Hilfiger's runner. And it kind of reminds me, here, as we can see, it reminds me of the Nike Rushy Run. There was a period in time where a lot of brands, they were doing a silhouette similar to that Nike Rushy Run, and by brands I mean all the clothing brands. So you see a Nike, obviously because they made it. I didn't mean Nike from Tommy, as we can see here. I've seen it done before with Skechers, Ralph Lauren as well. There's plethora. And what's surprising is that these are really light. So I think they live by their name of a light runner, and that TH light that's here. Let's start with the outsole. So that outsole is an all rubber outsole. Not a lot of great traction, but you got the traction is there. Moving along onto the upper. So we start with the midsole, and as I mentioned, you got that TH light, and that is an injected foam. And moving along onto the upper of the sneaker, so you got a blend of materials. You got a lot of polyester that's incorporated in the mesh. Here in the toe box, you look at the sides of the sneaker, and you got mesh, it's quite see-through. You got the leather paneling here for the laces. You can see the Tommy Hilfiger collars on this elastic band that goes all the way around the back. Looking along onto the tongue. So this whole sneaker is essentially a sock liner, one unit, nothing else. And you got the Tommy Hilfiger logo that's on the tongue with the flag. The laces, your typical lacing system, and you find the laces in the Tommy Hilfiger collars. Pull tab right at the back, if I did not mention that to begin with. And in the insole, you got the Tommy Hilfiger logo and the TH, that's there. I'm really surprised that these sneakers are really light, and not else to say. Again, we're trying our best to incorporate a wide range of sneakers into our reviews that we do at Oneupreviewz. It's not all about Adi, not all about Nike. Give some love to Tommy and Ralph and CK. We have done the CK. I'll round it off with what I've got to say about the sneakers. Gonna try them on next, let you know all my thoughts, feelings and emotions. So roll that footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I do recommend you try and get your true to size fit. There's a bit of space on the toe. My toe is here. You can see some space there. When it comes to the comfort, it's not that comfortable, guys. It feels like the runner that we've done for the Boohoo comparison. So check out that video. Maybe that's the lack of materials here, but I don't know. It doesn't feel that great, if in all honesty. They're very light though, so there's that for them. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z in the end on Instagram. And until next time, peace.